Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Binance account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Binance app. And once you're inside your Binance app, now here on the top left corner of the screen you will see your Binance icon, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to your profile page. Now all you gotta do is tap on the Binance username or your username, and once you tap on it, you'll be sent to your account info page. Now all you gotta do is tap on the option that says security, and once you're inside security, scroll down and here you'll find an option that says manage account. Tap on that, and once you're inside manage account, here you'll have two options, that is disable account and delete account. Now in order to delete your account, simply tap on delete account, and here select one of the regions that is displayed to you, and then once you have done that, tap on continue. And once you do that, here tap on accept and continue, and your Binance account will be deleted. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.